Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something जो हम सब लोग fascinated हैं, that is about Korean skincare. So here we need to understand this part कि Indian skin और जो Korean skin है ना बहुत ही different है. Number one, you need to understand कि Korean skin जो है वो थोड़ी thick होती है. They're not more prone to pigmentation and all. Whereas we Indians, हमारा एक तो problem है कि हमें बहुत जल्दी pigmentation हो जाता है and then we are more prone to tanning. We are more melanin rich people. तो हमारा जो टैनिंग पिगमेंटेशन और ये वाला जो इशू है दैट कोरियंस डोंट हैव. तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ फर्स्ट चीज़ें शेयर करूँगी विच आई थिंक आर लाइक कोरियन बेस्ड थीम्स which you can use, but they are something which will work for Indian skin. And I'll also be sharing with you some DIYs, Korean DIYs that they do, which I feel that can work amazing for Indian skin also. वो भी मैं आपके साथ share करूँगी in the second part of video. So do keep on watching this video like full, and I'll share with you everything. So अगर मैं double cleansing की बात करूँ, I would highly suggest that because that works really well. क्योंकि हम sunscreen use करते हैं to remove that, it really works well. In fact, आपके texture में, आपके pores में, and overall making your skin more healthier, double cleansing helps. So a cleansing balm or the cleansing oils are really hit in Korean this thing. So that is something that Indians are also using now. Number two that they work on are like hydration. बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी skin को hydrate करते हैं वो. They use so many hydrating toners, essences. So I feel that that is also something we should embrace because हमारी skin भी काफ़ी dry रहती है and then we have humidity, this that. So अगर हम अच्छे से अपनी skin को moisturize करें with a nice hydrating toner, essences, that can really help. बट यहाँ पे भी वी हैव टू ऑप्ट फॉर लाइटर टोनर्स एंड लाइट वेट एसेंसेज बिकॉज बहुत हैवी वाले जो है हमारे अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेदर एंड ऑल इट विल नॉट वर्क. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट कोरियन सनस्क्रीन्स यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट दैट्स समथिंग दैट रियली स्टैंड्स आउट. स्पेशली दे डोंट हैव एनी वाइट कास्ट इन देम एंड दे आर रियली हाइड्रेटिंग. दे गेट एब्जॉर्ब्ड इनटू योर स्किन वेरी क्विकली और बहुत अच्छा सा ग्लो भी आपको देते हैं. नाउ हियर द इशू इज सनस्क्रीन इज समथिंग दैट यू आर यूजिंग ऑन एवरीडे बेसिस. Korean skincare, especially the sunscreens, are really expensive. So I thought I'll just try to find something which is having the benefits of that Korean skincare but in affordable range, and that would work great for Indian skin. That's what I'm going to suggest to you. So this Pure Origin Korean Vitamin C Sunscreen is one product that can brighten your skin. This has Yuju-lemon, antioxidant that reduces dark spots, delivers bright and glowing skin. Has Korean Vitamin C which stimulates the collagen production, combats free radicals and promotes spot-free brighter skin. Has SPF 50, PA4+, means it will protect your skin from both UVA and UVB. The sunscreen is dermatologically tested and it gives you this amazing glow that you're gonna love. You can use this coupon code on pureorigin.in to get 15% discount. Also available on Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho and Purple. Moving on to the next part, which is I would share with you DIYs also. So number one very popular DIY is that Koreans use a lot of rice in their skincare DIYs, in overall skincare also. So what I love using is I really feel that Indian skin can benefit from the rice toners and the rice masks that they make. So all you have to do is take the rice, you soak it in water, like wash the rice first nicely like 2-3 times. You take like nice basmati rice and then you soak it and then leave it overnight. I to leave it overnight. Many people leave it for 1 hour or so. I love that the water just ferments in that particular rice, and then in the morning I drain that. I'll keep it in a spray bottle and I'll use it as a toner. Rice that has been soaked overnight, you grind it well, make it into a paste, and then you apply that as a mask. In fact, you can add in that is a little bit of honey. You can add a little bit of turmeric also for pigmentation and for dark spots. That will be like making it Indian version. After that you have applied the mask, you can use the toner that we made earlier, spray that on your face and then apply a nice moisturizer. That way you could be using the Korean way of using rice. Number one. Number two is that they use a lot of sleeping masks. So for making the sleeping mask, you really don't need to go that extra step of buying anything. All you need is take a little bit of yogurt or curd, little bit of honey you add in that, and रात को सोने से पहले you wash your face, apply that onto your face. अच्छे से आप उसको छोड़ो for 15 minutes, 30 minutes and let it get absorbed into your skin. क्योंकि honey डाला है, so it won't dry out your skin. आपकी skin बिल्कुल भी dry नहीं होगी. It will still stay the same as if आपने अभी लगाया तो जैसे वो वैसे ही रहेगा for 30 minutes or even 1 hour also you can keep. In this, the yogurt will help in exfoliating, brightening, because that has lactic acid, and then the honey will moisturize your skin so well. This is also something like a Korean adapted thing that you could be doing in Indian version. इसमें भी आप हल्की सी turmeric डाल सकते हो in case you're looking for brightening or for anti-inflammation. You can do that also. So उसके बाद आपने अपना face wash कर लिया, then you apply your nice night cream moisturizer. Don't apply any kind of actives like retinol or AHA, BHA and all of that, because already हमने lactic acid use कर लिया है curd में. So that way also it will really help. In the morning you'll wake up with like this most juiciest looking skin with Korean skincare but in Indian version. So these are the few tips that you can do, but in affordable manner and in easier way. So I hope you like the video. Do let me know what are the other things that you do the Korean way. I in fact do make even my own toner pads or sheet mask. Like I'll buy those tablets of that sheet mask, keep it in some cucumber toner or rose water, and then apply that as a sheet mask. So I hope you like the video. Do let me know in the comments what you think about it. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.